So I'm going to teach you how to do these two math problems because my open math video made it so much more complicated for absolutely no reason. So we're finding the sine of 20 degrees and the cosine of 20 degrees. So let me go to my Desmos. And sorry for the little squeaking. It's my chair. I promise you, I'm not farting. It's a chair. It's a chair. Let me go to Desmos. I wish I could I wish I had one of those little marker things that you can use like on your phone to just write it out, but we don't got that. So we're working with Desmos on ew. I'm sorry. I don't know what type of calculator that is, but it grossed me out. Like, that's not Desmos. That's not the Desmos I know. Anyways, okay, so in the most simplest terms possible, because I had to convert this into simplest terms for me to understand. Um, let's go over how to find cosine because that's a lot more simpler than sine. So Desmos video got you drawing circles with angles. Who knows where they even came from? I feel like he just made it up on the top of his head, and it didn't make sense. So you know what? Your girl started tinkering like she does, and so as you can see within the problem, it goes from 0 degrees, which is less than whatever degree you make up, which is less than 360 degrees. So 360 degrees, that's our max. That's the highest we can go. And I am cool with that. So this is how you find the sine. So 360 degrees. That's our max. And so when it comes to cosine, all you gotta do is subtract it whatever the cosine degree is, which is 20 in this case. And that gives you 340 degrees. That's all you gotta do. It's that simple. I don't know what. Oh my god, why am I trying to be fun? But anyway, so when it comes to sine 20 degrees, um, you know, we're gonna do the same thing. So 360 minus 20, that gives you 340 degrees. But the thing is, I kind of looked on the video a little bit, tried to see what he was talking about, and based on the video, it's like the x-axis is 180 degrees. Stay with me, stay with me. It's 180 degrees. As long as you know that this x-axis here is 180 degrees, you're gonna be fine. You're gonna be fine with this next step. Cause watch, your girl's gonna work her magic. Let me erase this upper part so you don't get confused. So we got 340 degrees, and then we're just gonna subtract 180, and you get 160. So that's your sine. Why I decided to subtract it is because you can't exactly do this. You can't exactly do this. And doing this, can't exactly do that. And doing this will get you over the max degree, which is 360, which I told you that's the max. We can't go over that. So the most logical sense would be to simply subtract. All right. That makes sense? All right, let's go over 17. 17 is the same process. Okay. So, finding the cosine first is always the easiest. Always the easiest. So, 360 minus wherever the cosine is. This case, 250. Boom. 110. Just write that as your cosine. You done with that. Woo, excuse me. So, when it comes to sine, it's the same process as well. Let's just pretend we already did this part of sine. That's how you go to 110. And so we're going to do, but this time it's going to be a little different. It's going to be a little differente. Will it be different? Wait, give me a second. Wait, give me a second. My mind's frying. Oh my god, my mind just help! My mind just froze. Help! Help me! Okay, wait. Let me pause this and I'll get back to you. Give me a second. Okay, I am back. I am so sorry. Look, my mind froze. My mind had a froze moment. Okay, so we're back. I remember how to do it. Okay, so with this one, it's a bit different because again, this x-axis, this the sign will most likely be somewhere over here because it's positive. If you can see my mouse, hopefully you can see my mouse. It'll be somewhere to the right, just in case you can't see my mouse. And so this is 110 degrees. This is what we get. We're trying to find the line on the left side where all the negatives. So you got to cross that 180-degree line. Like I said, that's the x-axis. But this time you can actually add, and that'll get you 290. Why can you add? Well, firstly, it doesn't go over the 360 line. If you add them up first for the sine and it gives you over 360, which is the max, then the simple solution is just to subtract the numbers by 180, and that should resolve the issue. And yeah, that's how I figured out these problems. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out to me. I can even simplify it even more because I know this is super confusing. I had to take this class during the summer, so while everyone was wearing the bikinis and going to the beach with all the guys with shirtless swim trunks. Did I say that right? I don't know if I said that right, but while everyone was partying, I was doing this. So you need more help and more explanation. I will be glad to. And it's already 7 minutes of this video. I hope you liked hearing me talk. I hope you appreciate seeing my beautiful face. You're glad that you have a friend who's a nerd. And yeah. Okay, bye.